guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your photos 3D and how you can add in cute little effects on it. So select your photo, go to AI stylize, go to style, and in trending you're going to select the 3D zoom one and make sure your clip is longer than a second. And I'm just going to wait for it to process, and this is what it's going to look like. Then you're going to go to effects here and you're going to select the D3D one, and starting from this one you can add in this butterfly hearts one. You have the frosted crystal, magic sweetie, I don't know, black, what does it say, micellary, don't know how to say that. You have this one and you also have this one. Quite like this butterfly one, so I'm just going to add it to my video like so, and that is pretty much it really. You can adjust the filters, like where you want to place stuff here, the rotation as well. I'm just going to do that, as well as the speed and where you want to place it vertically. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.